This is beautiful. I don't even know what to say. かっこいい. Whoa! Retro kind of look. Incredible. It's my size. Interesting. This is so cute. That is so 80s, isn't it? Unboxing day has finally arrived. This is a silk kimono bundle I ordered from Japan a couple of months ago. Since it was a bulk item with very little info or detailed photos, it's always a surprise. I'm happy to report this was one of the best bundles I've ever received. I hope you enjoy the reveal as much as I did. Summer is still lingering here, but the nights are definitely getting cooler and longer. That means my fun Yukata and Hanhaba Obi are about to be replaced by the beautiful fall and winter kimono layers. While I enjoy the simpler Kitsuke of a Yukata, I'm truly excited to get back into practicing layered kimono and those gorgeous full-size Obi Musubi. Do you want to open this box? Let's open the box. Doing the Kitsuke really wiped me out. Even it's so simple. This obi is polyester and it's really hot. You can see the fold right here too. It's not the best. Oh well. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Wow! Look at this. Well, there's like maybe 10 kimono in here. Oh, how cute is this? Wow. Wow, look at this. Let's go inside. Okay, so here's the first one that came in. This is beautiful. It's silk. Wow. Look at the Hakkake is so cute too. It matches perfectly with this orangey color. Oh, that is so adorable. Initially, I thought there's these yellow stains, but it's part of the design. So it's part of the pattern. Oh, that is stunning. Wow. It's gorgeous. Okay, so that's one. That's the first one. Look how cute. This is the second one. This is perfect for fall weather, and it's really light. Wow. Okay. This is definitely Tsumugi. It has that sound and the thinness and this shiny and slippery feel to it. Wow. That is amazing. I've never seen this color for Tsumugi. This is extremely stunning. I don't even know what to say. Wow. I'm just stunned. That's gorgeous. This is amazing. It puts this yukata to shame. Especially this polyester obi. So I'm sorry, I don't even know if it's staying up correctly. It's not really, but Oh well. I think it is too small. I just have to wear it a little bit shorter and play around with it a little bit. I mean, I hate to just like not fold it correctly right now, but I want to get through all the pieces. Okay, so next one. This is quite jimi, but very handsome. Wow. Oh, that looks so comfortable. Okay, this is my size. I can tell. I love this. And it's really light. Super light. I love it. Oh, this is so beautiful. It looks so casual, but not at the same time. It's so かっこいい。とってもかっこいい、これ。Oh, wow. I love it. This will go really well, right? This too, this will be perfect. Oh, that looks really amazing. It really is like brand new. There's no smell so far on any of these. I love this. Okay, next. Okay, this is definitely my mother's color. She loves this kind of lavender, light purple color. I think I might bring it back to my mother and see if she wants to wear it. It is so beautiful. It's all silk. It's just one solid color with white little speckles on it. Yeah. Whoa! Oh, that is amazing. The quality is just incredible. That's beautiful. I don't have any obi that would do any justice to this kimono. Okay, here's the next one. This is really cute. It reminds me of my grandma. You know, regular kimono she would wear around the house. Yeah, that's what it reminds me of. It's too short for me too, but oh, how cute. This will be a really nice Haori jacket. Oh, this cute tiny like red flowers with blue and gray and black. Definitely like a Showa retro kind of look, which I love. Oh, that is so cute. Oh, very, very nice. Oh, and there's also like a wave pattern as well. Oh, that is lovely. Okay, next one is very different. Oh, very soft. Look how just small and compact it is. I hope it's my size. Is it? It could be. Oh, the colors are just amazing. Have this all this brown and light tan with these orangey yellow lines and red lines, a little bit of blue. Incredible. It's in perfect condition. And look at this mustard yellow underneath to match with this other color. Oh, I think this is my favorite so far. Wow. Really cute. Oh, and look at this. This could work. Maybe. Possibly. I think it could work. It's picking up a lot of those colors. It has the blue in it too. That could work. All right. Oh, this is really nice. How fun. Love this color. Oh, that's pretty big. Oh, it is my size. No matter what the length of the arm, so that it's gonna be, it's always gonna be short. That's just how it is. But the length is there and the width is there. At least 2, maybe 3 kimono out of the bundle so far are my size. I wonder if they get rid of these tall ones in the bundle. People are not buying those really tall ones. So I wonder if they end up just putting it in the bundle. Look at this. Amazing. This definitely is on top of the list so far. Okay. It just keeps coming. Whoa. Now this is okay. Interesting. The color is not working for me, but wow, but this is definitely Tsumugi. You could feel it, you could hear it. And it's an interesting pattern. It's oddly masculine. Maybe because of the, you know what it reminds me of? It's like a video game from the 80s. I don't know, that's the color combo that I'm seeing here. And the pattern makes it look like, you know, like old school Atari game or something. It's cool. It is. Okay, it's growing on me. It's too small, maybe? Yeah, couple inches too small, but it's not that I can't wear it. It almost has like a army camouflage thing going on. That's interesting. Okay. Oh, wow. Okay, this also reminds me of grandma. Yeah. Yeah, this is nice. It looks like roses. And these are all really comfortable, like casual wear type feel to it. Perfect for like fall and spring. Oh, you know, this is so cute. I think this is my favorite bundle so far that I've gotten. These all have been incredible. Oh, love it. Okay, this is the last one. Last one. Tsumugi time. Another Tsumugi. Oh, that is so 80s, isn't it? This is definitely Showa, end of Showa era. And is this my size? It is. It is my size. I'm feeling the vibe, the 80s vibe. I think with a very colorful, you know, non-striped obi, maybe more like an organic design on it would work really well with this. Yeah. So that was the bundle. And it was very exciting. Which kimono spoke to you most? Bright and colorful, subdued and calm, fun and retro, or casual and comfortable? Let me know in the comments. I hope you enjoyed this exciting kimono unboxing day with me. If you're curious about how to get your hands on these lovely garments from Japan, make sure to check out my video on how to buy kimono from Japan online. where I go into detail on my simple method. If you like kimono content like this and enjoy my adventures with upcycling kimono and obi and discovering this beautiful world of kimono, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.